Hey friends, this is Atif Opierval and welcome to the new update on SelfKey. In my previous videos, I have been showing you that SelfKey has broken out a very big falling wedge pattern on the 7 days time frame chart. And this is one of those videos. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after breaking out this big wedge, the price got rejected by this long-term resistance of 1.3 cents. You can see we had a nice rally, but the price rejected and dropped down. And now recently we have broken down the support of $0.0055, almost at half cents. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for SelfKey that I shared, by the way, in the month of March 2023. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern that SelfKey formed on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was the complete trade setup. This was the buying range and the sell target sign and the stop loss as well. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that first price moved down into the buying zone, and then we had a very nice reversal. And this was almost 15% pump only on this 2-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me take you to the live chart of SelfKey. And this is the weekly time frame chart, and you can see that since after the month of March 2021, it was moving inside this quite big falling wedge pattern. Here we had a fake out, but the price re-entered the same wedge. And after testing this long-term support of $0.0027, you can see we have been testing the support here and here. And by the way, previously it had been breaking as a resistance here. Therefore, it flipped into a strong support after this breakout. And now for the past several months, it was breaking as a support. And after testing the support here in the month of December 2022, we broke out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. And by the way, from this low to this high, this was almost 353% pump. The price got rejected by this 1.3 cents level resistance that has been previously breaking as a resistance here and resistance here. And now again, it worked at a nicer resistance, strong resistance, and the price has broken down this support of 6.8 cents, and now it is breaking down, in fact completely broken down this support of $0.0055 as well. And here, by the way, the price has found another uptrend line support. You can see we had a bounce here, we had another bounce here, and another bounce here as well from here. And now the price is getting down from this support once again. In fact, it is about to test the support, very close, moving to this support. In case of breaking down this uptrend line support, the price can drop down here at this next long-term support of $0.0034 that has been previously working as a resistance here. And if we move more back, then here you can see for several weeks it has been working as a resistance. Therefore, that can be another support. Nice support for the price line. Now, if we take a look at the final target for this huge falling wedge pattern breakout, that is here at the top of the wedge. That is between 3.5 cents to 4 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.